of course, Lovely is here. And right now, we have this pretty girl. How old are you now? You don't mind? 45! Together with your friends and Habibi as well. Oh! Hello there, guys! Thank you for celebrating your birthday here. So, we would like to say, happy birthday to Lourdes! Birthday a while ago, yung mga girls natin, yung isa 30 years old, yung isa 25. Make a wish and blow your candle, girl, okay?
Okay.
At the count of 3 and 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday, everybody! Happy birthday!